Morning, friends. In today's episode, we are going to discuss the opportunity available at the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, which is situated in Bangalore. It is autonomous body under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Here is the advertisement number. You need to have this for the further application process. Here they have mentioned the information related to this particular institute and its sub branches. Almost five branches are there. uh, the applications are invited for the junior research assistant positions in observations. So number of, we will see the information in detail below. Post number is 04. Number of positions they have mentioned two. One is for unreserved and one is for OBC category. The scale of pay will be level 4 matrix, which ranges between 25,000 to 81,000. Upper age limit will be 30 years, and place of posting will be Kodaikanal Solar Observatory in Tamil Nadu. Essential qualification for this particular position, these particular positions are mentioned like candidates have has to have this BSc in physics or mathematics or chemistry, या फिर BSc in information technology, इसके अलावा electronics or PCA or equivalent qualification with at least minimum 60% of aggregate marks are required for this particular positions. The desirable qualification they have mentioned is like candidate the knowledge for the candidate, knowledge of instruments and computers is essential, and experience, when we look at the experience, essential experience is minimum 2 years of experience in college or university laboratory or in research and development organization. Desirable experience with the astronomical telescopes will be highly preferred, and job description is to help the observer in operating telescope in different modes, and sometimes they have to perform the visitors duty in the museum and other work specified by the during off season. So, and these are the essential qualifications and the desirable qualification. Now we will see the information related to application process, yani ki how to apply. These are the positions where we have to online apply, and here is the link they have given through this job. So this link I am going to paste it in description box. You can go there, and if you are eligible you can apply. And along with that, I'll the information they have provided, like while applying you have to upload the scanned recent photograph, educational and technical qualifications certificates, like degree certificate and experience certificate, and also the recent CV, educational and technical certificates and experience certificates you should upload separately in a single scanned PDF file, as a single scanned PDF file. An experience certificate from the current employer which you are providing has to be on the letterhead with the proper signature and valid seal. Other than this letter, like offer letter, joining letter, pay slip, will not be considered as a experience proof. So you need to have the experience letter on letterhead. Along with that, you have to upload all the required documents. The half filled application will not be considered for the further process. Also, for the application process you have to register. So to register the link, to register in this particular portal, they have provided the link. This link I am going to paste in the description box. You can go there, you can register. You need your email and phone number for this particular, so keep your email ready before that, and valid phone number you need to have. Also, currently working, if you are working currently in somewhere like government institute, autonomous or semi government or corporations, you need to forward your application through the proper channel after successful registration. In case of difficulties, you can, they have provided the email ID, also the website, so you can contact them. Also they have a phone number which is at the initial of this application. I'm going to give it in the description box. You can call there and you can discuss. If you want, you can comment on this in this particular video, so I'll try to clear your doubts related to this application and process. Now we will see the selection process. The selection process will be will start with the written or skill test. It depends upon the how many applications they are getting. If the application number increase, they will change or modify their criteria for the selection. Now they have given the written test here. So syllabus for the written test, like it will be consist of general English, reasoning, general knowledge, physics and mathematics up to +2, यानी कि +2 मतलब 12 तक का जो हमारा सिलेबस रहेगा वो सभी रहेगा बेस्ड ऑन दी NCERT बुक लेवल. So written and skill test will be held at the Bangalore location, and the initial criteria like screening will be based on the academic performance and the experience. It is just to minimize the candidate or applications. That's their criteria. Now the shortlisted candidate will be informed by email. That's what we need to have a proper and valid email ID. Also, you need to have a mobile number so that you will get the notification. So final selection list will be displayed on the institute website. Other terms and conditions they have mentioned here, you can go through that for more information. The closing date for application will be 3rd of January 2022. For registration, this link is there. I'm going to give it in the description box. Just go there. If you are eligible, do apply. Also, if you like the video, do share and subscribe to the channel so that it will motivate me to create content in future. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.